Hey guys, this is Avi from AV Products, and today we are going to review the 6 really cool electric bikes you can import from China. So let's get started. Moving to our first product of the day. This product is from AliExpress Enjo e-bike store. The store is open and established on AliExpress for 1 year with 94.7% positive feedback, which is really good. This bike is a 20-inch 4-inch aluminum foldable electric bike, uh, 350 watts. You get the fat tire, which is usable on any kind of mountain and snow, which is really useful to have. And moving to the colors, this bike comes in white, orange, blue and black, and this is a really nice looking bike you can get for $889 dollars only, with free shipping to United States. So this is really affordable for most people who want to use electric bike. This has also gear transmission. Yeah, let's check the buyer's feedback. The buyer feedback is also great. These are the feedbacks from those who bought this bike and they are using. So let's read one. E-bike is great, the quality is excellent, got in very good condition, no scratches or dent, bravo to the seller. So you can see that nothing to worry about. These are the trusted sellers and the store. Now moving to the next item. This is from Sam Laro e-bike store. This store is established for 5 years on AliExpress with 90% positive feedback, which is also good. For the same specs, 20-inch snow e-bike, you can use it on beach also. You can see here, if you these fat tires really help you riding this bike in snow and beach. So this have the 500 watt capacity, which is much better than the last one we just reviewed. $1,612 for a piece. Rating, positive feedback from the sellers. That's a bike to go for if you are this have the budget to buy that. Moving to the next item. The same size 20-inch foldable electric bike. The store is e-bike store, open for 1 year, 88% positive feedback. This comes in white and black colors. The rear suspension and the transmission, the fork suspension. See the feedback from the buyers. Everyone is giving the 5 stars, so nothing to worry about that. These are the things you need to look before buying and importing from China. So otherwise, if you buy from the new sellers on AliExpress and they don't have the really good feedback or positive feedback, you are losing your money and maybe get scammed with the cheap product and not worth it buying. Moving to the next product. This store is the last store we have reviewed. This is their second product, open for 5 years, 90% feedback. This bike has a fat tire, snow bike, 500 watt high speed. Yeah, this has the bigger battery of 500 watts. Import from China, 1042 to 1449, depends on the time which you are buying. The feedback is also good, the 5 star, 3 votes, 5 stars. Moving to the next item. E-bike store, 1 year, 500 watt motorcycle, fat snow tire, 1200 to 1385 dollar, comes in white and black, from China. The black looks really good. Also great feedback. You can see the feedback here, 5.0, 2 volts. So these are pretty 100% feedbacks. Moving to the next and last item, which is a kind of a delivery bike. You can get here. uh, you can deliver items with that. Any type of, comes in three colors: blue, black and yellow. You can see that it's a cool bike. Each products I am reviewing here, you can buy them. The link is in the description. You don't have to worry about finding them on AliExpress. So this bike is a 500 watt motor, and you will get it for $929 a piece, and 7% sale is going on right now, 4 days left. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like my channel, and yeah, take care.